We're going on a road trip.
Road trip.
You're supposed to do the dog thing with the vine, you know? Quincy, we're going on a road trip. Oh! Okay.
I kind of realized that the light was green the whole time.
I don't think so. Okay, so our hotel is that one, and we're literally next to 3 IHOP locations. That one over there, and then there's one over there that you can't see, but it's past the trees. We made it to Niagara Falls.
Oh, babes.
Nope. Okay, anyways, we made it to Niagara Falls. We did a little bit of shopping at an outlet mall that I didn't show you because it was hot and I didn't feel like taking my phone out to film. But now we're walking to the hotel because we're cheap and we don't park underground. We park down the street. Our hotel is 2 minutes away from Margaritaville, so you know your girl is going to get margarita drunk. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is sick.
Oh my god.
Okay, hi, this lighting is awful. But I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup before we go out for dinner. If this is too much boob, I'm really sorry, but Tana Monjo does it. Mongoose. So I'm just gonna wash my face with this first. Okay, so I forgot to bring cotton pads for my toner, so I'm just using tissue. Hope it works okay. Oh my god, that was a lot. I just used a lot of this. Okay. I think we're going to Applebee's for dinner, which is super exciting because we don't have an Applebee's in Toronto. So it'll be a nice change for our usual restaurants. Okay, I'm just using my Laneige Water Bag Hydrating Gel. I don't like to use too much of this stuff when I'm like going out because my skin gets really oily and this is very hydrating. And those two don't really mix that well, but it's fine. Ow! Fuck. Cheers! God, these are good. Okay, so I put on a different shirt because I felt like I was showing too much boob. And I also found the lights on the mirror, so the lighting is better. So I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup now. I'm gonna start with my Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, which I'm almost out of. Fuck, am I out of it? Yes. Okay. Well, I need to get a new one, clearly. Oh, this is so sad. I love this primer. Okay. Okay, and when that is sinking into my face, you know, oh god, it makes my hands really slippery. You know it's time to do brows. So I'm gonna do my brows really fast. I recently like kind of shaped my brows myself. So
so maybe it'll be easier to do my brows because I'm so bad at it, but we'll see. I'll check back with you when they're done. Okay, well, here we are 20 minutes later. I don't know why eyebrows are such a struggle for me, but they still don't even look good. So we're just gonna ignore it. I've accepted it.
Spiced nacho platter.
Okay.
Crispy nachos smothered with tender cheese. I might get nachos. I'd be down to eat them 2 nights in a row.
Yeah, I mean, they'll be different. Oh no. So the city of Toronto and basically Canada as a whole is in an uproar because the Toronto Raptors made it into the NBA Finals against Golden State. And never once has the Toronto Raptors made it to the NBA Finals. So this is literally history. And I truthfully don't follow sports at all. But everybody else in Toronto, Niagara Falls where I am right now, and basically all of Canada is flipping their shit. So it's game 1 tonight of the NBA Finals in Toronto. The game is in Toronto, which I am not, thankfully. Honestly, I'm kind of glad I'm not in Toronto right now. But when the team won the last game of the last series, the city literally blew up. People were jumping on top of like public transit buses and like dancing, and the streets were all closed, and there were fireworks going off at like 2 in the morning. So like if they end up winning the finals, this city is gonna have to go into lockdown, and honestly I'm worried. That is what's going on in Toronto these days. Craziness, basically. A whole lot of craziness. And I'm just over here like, woohoo, Toronto, I don't really care. Okay, so I'm using the e.l.f. contour palette. I haven't used this in forever, but I used to be obsessed with this. The colors are kind of weird in the pan, but like they show up a lot different on your face. So the foundation that I use makes me really pale, so I like really have to go heavy with my bronzer just so I don't look so I don't know, transparent, because I literally look like a sheet of paper. Now I'm gonna use, guess what, my Kylie blush, just because I love it so much. Oh, I kind of like wrecked my blush brush. Oopsie. So then I'm gonna do my highlight. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty highlighter. Oh. 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 Okay, so I'm gonna set my face with my Too Faced spray. Whoa, don't breathe that in. Oh my god, it burns! Okay, round 2, bitch. See, I didn't breathe it in that time. So now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte mascara, as always. Oh, bitch, my makeup turned out good. Okay, Now I'm gonna use this nude, oh no, it's a Bite Beauty, like lip thing. Lip crayon in the color Glacé, I think. I don't know, it kind of looks like this. I got it in that Sephora birthday kit thing. Oh. Okay. So, makeup is done. I just have to do my hair, but I'm gonna wait a bit to do my hair. But my makeup turned out really well. I really like this lip. Hello. We love her. Okay, work. Wow.
This is why I want to use too.
Oh, this is hard.
So we came to Shirley Joe's for dinner. I got the buffalo chicken flatbread pizza, and oh my god, Brady got nachos, and we are watching the Raptors game, and yeah. I was wondering if I could order room service. Just the tarte tatin to room 1106. Oh, okay. They don't have it.
Oh, they don't?
They have the donuts and the fresh berry tart.
Do you want to try the fresh berry tart?
Yeah. Okay, we'll do the fresh berry tart then. Yeah. Just one, yeah. Amazing, thank you. Ugh!
It's up for fall.
Cute. Fuck yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, so we have dessert with the show. There's fireworks going on outside. This is so fun. And our room service came and it was so fucking expensive, but it's okay. Woohoo! Damn it. Oh my god, I hate tourist areas because this iced coffee was $7. What the fuck? My whipped cream fell off the pancakes. So after breakfast, we came back to the room and I took a fat nap. Now we're going to Clifton Hill to do some fun things. Probably go to the arcade. Maybe do mini golfing. Who knows? We'll see. Look at all those chickens. This lady is real close to the geese, and geese have been attacking people in Toronto, and I'm really worried for her. Oh my god, look at all those geese. Oh my god, wait, they're swimming.
My head may be shocking, but it is full of stories to tell. I've got so many that even a funny-looking person like you will enjoy them.
Why are you insulting these people? They are our guests.
Yes! I wouldn't even invite them to a head-hunting party. I bet you are wondering what happened to me. You want to ask, don't you? Well, my head wasn't always this small, but I've always been this good-looking.
As they chipped away at the hated barrier which distorts it through the cracks.
Can you imagine having to spell that? Do all that? Oh my god. Holy fuck. Oh god. Oh my god, you're gonna drop the bottle. And Margaritaville. Holy cow.